It's now time for you all to get a glimpse of Milagres Toastmasters and what's in it for you. Here's something that will give you an idea of what you can expect. So, watch.
Hi everyone. I can confidently say that Toastmasters was the best investment I have done on myself. It has given me the tools to improve my speaking skills and also to improve my leadership skills. I look forward to attending our meetings in Milagres Toastmasters because of the warmth among the members, the positivity and the inspiration that I get by attending the meetings. And over the years, I have also realized that I have become a better person and also have improved my listening skills, which is very important for a leader. So to anyone who is listening to this, I would say, come and join Toastmasters. Toastmasters sahi hai.
It was my brother who introduced me into Toastmasters and joined Toastmasters. I learned how to be comfortable on stage. My evaluators, my mentors guided me step by step and helped me out of my fear zone. From taking up various roles to being the treasurer and president of my club, this made me the confident person that I am today.
Toastmasters have tremendously helped me to improve my communication skills, especially my public speaking skill. Each session of the Toastmasters helps me in getting updated with knowledge, information and insights from various spheres of life. We are able to connect with a network of distinguished Toastmasters and leaders around the globe to seek their advice. Also, I have started an YouTube channel comprising of my speeches that I deliver in the Toastmaster sessions.
Milagres Toastmasters have helped me transform from shyness to awesomeness. Obviously, it has helped me in my public speaking, but it also gave me an opportunity to explore different leadership roles like treasurer and vice president public relations, which taught me a lot of different things. And finally, it gives me an experience that I cherish wherever I go. Thank you, Milagres Toastmasters.
Beads of perspiration trickling behind earlobes, butterflies hitting against the wall of your stomach, shaky knees, trembling fingers, and tongues rolling in. These were some of the symptoms that I had before I joined Toastmasters. And in the year 2012, when I became part of Toastmasters International, things began to change. The magic actually happened. Do join Toastmasters and find the confidence that you've always longed to have in public speaking. Do give it a try. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Leona. I was never frightened of the stage, but now I love the stage and I love to speak in front of an audience. It gives me a kind of a rush that I cannot simply explain in words. So, if you are in two minds about being a Toastmaster, please don't. You must go ahead and become one. Good luck.
Thank you.